Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Jerry with the Relaxed Garden. This is kind of a weird angle, but I am planting up this morning these Red Salvia Greggii that are replacing these dead and or dying 4D African daisies. And this one kangaroo paw that just, I don't know if you remember, I had two of them. I've only got one left. And look at that, it just came out again. I just cannot grow them. I think I get way too much water here. So it is what it is. But that's what we're doing this morning. Taking them out. And what's not overly saturated? I don't know. Whatever. It is what it is, right? There's that. I'm gonna take my glasses off because I am. Where am I gonna put them? Put them right there. I'm gonna lose them. I know I am. But anyway, let's get to it. Check this out. This is an awkward angle, but look at that. Look at that. Honestly, the roots barely did anything. That's so odd. Anyway, I don't care. Done. Here we go. Done. And oh, there are 4 of them. But look, you can see. Look at that. They didn't do much of anything. Look. See? Interesting. Very interesting. Whatever. They're out of there. Let's go ahead and pull a few little weeds that are here. Look at this. You are going... I lost a microphone a while back. I'm sure it doesn't work anymore. Guess what I just found? The microphone that I lost. Look, it's covered in dirt. That is crazy. It's the same one I had. I had 2 of them, and I lost one. Here it is. That's funny. That is way too funny. Anyway, so that's that. Let me get over here. No weeds. See, there were a couple of weeds, but not bad, huh? That's what happens. That's part of the thing. That's one of the reasons I mulch, is to keep the weed, you keep everything, keep that water in, but it also prevents weeds from developing or from growing or germinating. Anyway, here we go. I have 6 of these salvia. Let me show it to you. This is what I'm planting up this morning. I've got 6 of them. Great little red flowers. So there's 1, 2, there's 3, 4, 5. Maybe, should I try one over here? Why not? Or over here. Yeah, we'll see. Whatever. Wow, I can't believe I found that. You know what happened one day? I thought I was trying to be clever, and I had their microphone clipped to my sock or my shoe, and I was hoping to get like a little ASMR moment and hope to capture, some walking sounds or digging sounds, and I wound up losing my microphone, so wasn't much of an ASMR moment, was it? All right. This is going to be rather nice. I can't wait to get these in the ground. I had these, again, you know me. I sit them in a tray. Oh, here we go. I sit them in a tray of water, and I let them soak. So these have been soaking actually a couple of days. and they're nice and watered. There's the first one. Let me throw some fertilizer in there. I'll just go ahead and fertilize this hole. And get some of these fertilizer. All right. There's that one. Let's come over here and do this one. Yeah. That was a shame. Those 4D, they were beautiful. Those African daisies, great color. They just didn't perform very well. I don't know if it's something I did or if it was just environmental, but okay. Let's give it a little more. Then I'll come in and water these in. There's that. Look at that. That's 2. Here's the third one. Let's do it right over here. This is great soil. So anyway, it'll be nice. I hope it's not too late. I hope. Oh, look at that. I'll be on top of them. I know it's going to be hot. Hey, Minnie Cooper. Minnie, come here. We have a visitor this morning, everybody. Minnie Cooper. Minnie. You're going to sit right there off camera so no one can see you? She's being elusive this morning. All right. Oh, here we go. Here she comes. Come here, Minnie. You want to say hello? Look, it's a Minnie Cooper. She's like, put me down. She's like, no, not this morning. And here's 4. Right? I have 2 more. 5 and 6. And I think that is going to be perfect. Just keep them in this area nice and tight, nice and full. So it'll fill out this area quickly. There's that. So, yep. Perfect. Look at that. And then the last one will go right here. How about that? Oh, come on. And so let me know what you think about this. Do you think it's too late? I know it's typically too late, and typically I tell people not to plant anything this late. It's late for me. It's so hot. But I'm going to be keeping an eye on them. Look at that. I love those little flowers. I think they're absolutely beautiful. I will be keeping an eye on them. And that's that. There we go. How's that? Looks very, oh my gosh, that looks so good. Let me go ahead and water them in. Again, these plants themselves are soaking in a tray of water, sitting in a tray of water, and they drank up all that water. So each individual plant has had a good drink. This is just to kind of water them in and get all the dirt settled around them. Because, like I keep saying, it is very hot. And they're going to need all the help they can get. How is that? All right, that's that. And let's do what? You know what? Just a little overabundance of, let me, while I'm at it, let's just kind of do this entire area. Let's do these salvia right here. Penta, these penta back here. There we go. There's that. All right. Here, get these penta over here. This Dianella. Everything's going to get a good feeding. All right, there you go. Now, last but absolutely not least, as I walk in front of the camera, is mulch. Gotta mulch this stuff in. Check it out. There we go. Actually, there's mulch everything in this whole area. There we go. And I'll come back in here with the water hose and kind of hose everything down. But this is it. This is the first one. If you remember, I have 3 other plants. Yeah, so do me a huge favor. If you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe. If you happen to be watching on a mobile device, a phone or a tablet, click that hype button. There's a hype button that I'm now eligible to receive hypes on, and that also helps out tremendously. But yeah, and while you're at it, if you don't want to miss the next planting of the next group of plants, go ahead and hit the bell, the notification button, and it'll let you know when the next video comes out. I've got 2 more groups of plants that I need to plant up. That is the lantana and the veronica, the speedwell. I don't know, that may have been a mistake. It might not have been. Who knows? Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate your time. And click that like, click that subscribe. Let me know in the comments, do you think it's too late in the year? Are they going to make it, or are they going to die because of the heat? Let me know in the comments. Talk to you later. Look out for the next video. See you then. Bye.